Let me show you how you can create this 3D pop-out effect in Photoshop. First things first, let me show you the image size or the canvas size. So I'll go to image and show you the size. It is 1080 by 1350 pixels. You can go on and create a new file with that size. So you drag and drop this. All of these files are linked in the description. So I'll expand my layers panel and I'll go direct and pick my polygon tool. So I'm going to make a quick selection. So after making a quick selection, I'll go to color adjustments on the layers panel and choose solid color. So I'm going to fill this color with something like pinkish. So you're going to pick a color code, it's going to pop up. So after filling, I'll grab my move tool and I'll go to edit. So I'll pick free transform, or you can either hold Ctrl plus T to get that control. So I'll right click on the color fill and convert it to the smart object. So after I convert it to the smart object, I'll drag and drop my image to the canvas. So I'll resize it a little bit. So after resizing, I'll go and proceed and add a mask. So after adding a mask, I'll hold Ctrl and click on the thumbnail of color fill to make a quick selection. So I'll still click on that icon to invert the selection. So after that, I'll proceed and pick my brush. So I have to make sure I'm using hard brush. So to increase or to reduce the size of the brush, you can use square brackets. Left brush, left square bracket for reducing the size, and right square bracket for increasing the size. So that's the shortcut for increasing and decreasing the brush size quickly. So I'll proceed and get rid of these areas that I don't want. So I only want those hands to pop out from the background. So for you to pan around, you hold space button on your keyboard and then left click with your mouse to move around the canvas. So I'll proceed and deselect to remove those selections. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add another layer where I'm going to put my shadows. So go on and pick my pen tool. So I'm going to use a pen tool to make these shadows perfect and balanced. So I'll make just simple selections to make this. So after making those work paths, you just go to color adjustments and choose solid color to fill them. So just press escape on your keyboard to get rid of those work path lines. So after that, I'll right click and convert that layer to the smart object. And after that, I'll go to filter and choose blur, then I'll pick Gaussian blur. So I'll adjust until I get blur that I go with. So you can go with mine, it will pop up like so. So and the rest is simple. So for you have to practice to make this work for you. You put everything in, and don't forget, please, I've linked all files in the description. And thank you for watching. If you have enjoyed my tutorial, please you can click the like button and also subscribe to see more of this. Peace.